Hi everyone, it's Anya from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you some delicious oat cookies that you can easily make for the festive season. They are 100% plant-based, no eggs, no added sugar, and I don't use oil in my cooking either. So these are actually very, very healthy. I'm looking forward to the festive holiday cooking season and sharing this delicious recipe with my family and friends as well as you. So let's get into this recipe and then let's get into eating these delicious cookies. So first up, I've mashed up 2 large bananas in a bowl and I'm going to add 2 cups of oats. So these are just rolled oats going into the mix. And then I'm going to add some apple puree. I like to buy it in the baby food format. It's usually a lot healthier, it doesn't have any additives, and it's very easy to store. So I find if I don't really use it a lot, so if I keep it in this packet, I can just seal it back up and then use it when I'm ready to go. Or if I don't use it all, sometimes I'll just throw whatever's left into the freezer and then thaw it out when I need it. But today I'm going to use this whole packet. There's 90 grams in here. And I'm just going to add it to this mixture. So the apple puree is actually a great substitute for butter or margarine in your cooking, and you can sub that out in most baking recipes. Then I'm going to add a cup of chocolate chips. These are white chocolate chips that I've got, but you could use dark chocolate chips, whatever you have on hand. Mine are plant-based and these are a treat. I wouldn't normally eat these very often throughout the year, but it's the festive holiday season, as I said, and I want a little bit of a treat, so I'm going to add these in. But if you don't have chocolate on hand or you don't want to use it, you could just add some nuts in its place or some seeds or even a few more oats in there or some dried fruit. And speaking of dried fruit, I'm adding 1/4 cup of raisins into here as well. A teaspoon of cinnamon, because cinnamon is definitely a holiday flavour. A teaspoon of vanilla. Oh, that smells so good. And a 1/4 cup of plant-based milk. I'm using oat milk, but you could use almond or soy milk. Even coconut milk would taste delicious in here. And then I'm going to just mix all of this up with my festive silicone spatula, and then I will be ready to shape these and put them in the oven. So once this is all mixed together, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or about 175 degrees Celsius, and then get yourself a spoon and we'll start shaping these cookies. So just 1 tablespoonful at a time and just pop that onto a baking tray. And then just keep shaping these until you've used all of this mixture up. And into the oven they go. So the cookies are done and they smell amazing. I've cooked these for about 20 minutes and let them cool down for a little bit, but they're still quite hot, but I really want to try one. I can't wait to let them cool down any longer. They're just soft and gooey and they're still, like I said, they're still hot and delicious. Oh, they smell so good. The cinnamon in there. Oh, wow. These are so good. I really hope that you give this recipe a try. And if you do, please come over to my Facebook group. I'll leave a link down below. And I would love to see your photos and just see what you're making and how you're sharing these with, who are you sharing them with. Let me know in the comments below who you want to share your oat cookies with. Oh, they're just so amazing. Please give this recipe a thumbs up if you like quick and easy, healthy oat cookies. So delicious. And don't forget to join me for my next recipe. Bye for now. Oh, they're so good. Yum.